Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add like and subscribe button on YouTube video. All right, let's begin. The like and subscribe button watermark can encourage viewers to subscribe and like to your channel. Make sure you already have one ready, but you can also create your own very easily using tools like Canva or Photoshop. To get started, go to the top right corner of YouTube and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select YouTube Studio. Once inside, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Customization. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the customization options and you'll find Video Watermark. Click on Upload, locate your subscribe button image on your computer, and press Open. You can then crop the image if necessary and press Done. After that, you'll see a preview of how the watermark will look on your videos. Select any of style and click on Publish at the top right. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add like and subscribe button on YouTube video. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.